Hey everyone, I'm doing a screencast video to show you how I use social networks to collect stuff, such as using Flipboard here. So Flipboard's an online free site, you just gotta sign up for it, and I find this one to be kind of relevant to find good news articles, up-to-date issues, find some good videos and pictures. So this is what I like to use most. So diving into Flipboard here, created my account. It's fairly new. You can see I have 22 flips, and flips are pretty much stuff that if you like that article, you can keep it. And I'll explain how to do it in a second. I got 2 magazines that I've created, and I got a couple likes that I like people's posts. So diving in, I have 3 magazines here, which these are like my collection. So in this one, I just have a video and a couple other stories down here that are up here. So there's only a few in this one. If I go back and I go into the farming one, this one kind of relates to more just my life, what I do, and kind of coming into the theme. But you can tell I have 1 viewer and I have 10 stories in here. They're all listed below. These are all ones that I found interesting, stuff I want to reflect on later on, possibly using teaching. So that's another collection. And my last one, the ag livestock, that has to do with my theme of the EDC I270, about how agriculture, livestock is in the world and how everything. So I got 12 stories in here. Everything that can go from production to food to everyday farmers, and this is a great website that I found of some great articles that I really like to use, so that's why I chose to what we call flip them in here. So let's say if we just type in up here the search, we'll just put farming. Go to this one, successful farming is the top result. It's a magazine. I've already followed it, but here's how you can follow stuff if you want to keep seeing what they post. You can unfollow, and it'll tell you down there. I'm going to go ahead and follow it. And this is how you flip stuff. Say I like everything that this page in the publisher is posting. I'm going to click flip, and this gives me my list of magazines. So let's put it into the farming one, and let's just put flip. So then that'll take it back for when you go into the profile, and I go to farming, it'll be in here. It'll be right there, and that's how you can keep stuff, and you can keep reflecting on it and keep seeing their new posts. So this is just a great tool. It's great to reflect on. You can see everything that I have. I have all the stuff that I'm following, from my topics, profiles, magazines, videos, all this stuff you can see and reflect on. So I find this is a great social media tool to be able to bookmark stuff and use it as a nice research tool. So thank you, and hope you guys use the same thing.